Hi guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today I'll be showing you how to convert one kind of image to another just with a simple and fantastic software that is Format Factory. I have this image, it's triangles in name and its extension is PNG as you can see on the screen and on the footer too, and the size is 640 KB. Okay, I just want to decrease its KB length and I just don't want to lose its quality. So what I have to do, I just have to convert this PNG to JPEG with this simple and fantastic software that is Format Factory. Okay, Format Factory is on now. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to drag this image to the folder and it's asking me to convert with different formats. I'm just going to choose JPG. You can choose depending on your wish. JPEG, okay, and make sure that it is in original size and the way you want, the width and the height of this picture. Okay, I'm in its original size. Okay, and then simply clicking on start, and as you can see that triangles PNG is there. It's 640 KB in size, and the new one which is returned to its source folder is JPG. It is only 139 KB in size. It has decreased its KB and now I can upload it to the website I want with less KB. And for the web developers, it has a new feature that you can turn this picture to ICO, which is mainly used by the developers or web designers. Suppose I'm just going to drag, and after that I'm just choosing ICO for web design and clicking on OK, and then simply start, and it is done. And as you can see, it is in ICO format and the picture has become smaller. And this is a simple way of turning your image from one format to another with this simple and super software Format Factory. If you don't know how to download and install this, then please don't forget to check the description and the end screen too. If you have any better idea, then please don't forget to comment. See you in my next video tutorial. Goodbye.